Centre for Young Survivors of Exile.
Okay, so we're very, very pleased to be here, and we thank Doro Marden very much for inviting us. I'm Sheila Melzak, and I'm the director of the Baobab community.
And I'm Halima Kangahe. I've been a member of the Baobab community since 2010.
We're here to share something this evening of our way of working and why we're trying to start a young women's and girls group. The Baobab Centre works with young people who've experienced child and adolescent-specific human rights abuses. And we offer both rehabilitation and attempt to challenge these human rights abuses. Published research shows us that children, adolescents, and young adults benefit from having all their services based in one place. Research also shows us that when young people are separated from their parents, they need substitute involved parental care, which includes the detailed understanding of their needs, meeting their needs, and advocating on their behalf. Children and adolescents cannot be parented by bureaucracies. The Baobab Centre was set up as an antidote to the situation where young survivors seeking asylum in the UK have to deal with bureaucracies talking official languages that they don't understand, and to provide care and rehabilitation in a non-official personal language. Our presentation is going to be a conversation between Halima and myself.
Sheila, I'd like to ask you a few questions. How would you explain what the Baobab Centre does and why?
We offer a holistic model of work, and that means we offer a variety of services. We offer social work and casework to help young people to access housing, benefits, education, and healthcare. We offer individual and group psychotherapy. We offer arts and sports-based groups. We organize therapeutic retreats and holiday projects, and every few weeks we have a community meeting where young people and adults who are workers there, who are mostly volunteers, they attend. All Baobab community members have experienced extreme violence during their developmental years. Child and adolescent specific human rights abuses include being present when your parents are violated or murdered. It includes experiences of rape to yourself, which are ubiquitous experiences. It includes imprisonment and torture. It includes trafficking for sex and for work. And it includes forcible recruitment into armies, where girls and boys are forced to be both perpetrators and victims. These experiences have a long-term problematic impact on developing children. These human rights abuses will have taken place in 3 different areas: in their home countries, which are often failed states, on the journey into exile, where children and adolescents are separated from their parents, and they travel with traffickers who are often abusive and treat young people as commodities. And then in the UK, where the assessment systems of the United Kingdom Social Services Departments and the Home Office are not fit for purpose. The credibility of young asylum seekers is often challenged, and they're often asked official questions that are very hard to understand. Children are not listened to, and they're not believed. Neither an accurate assessment of the impact of violence and loss nor a meaningful relationship can be made with a young person when the language of officialdom is used. These experiences further traumatize young people who are already traumatized. I've talked enough. I'm going to ask you a question now, okay? Why do you think we need a young women's and girls group at Baobab?
We need one because I cannot talk to my friends at college.
Sorry, can't hear.
You basically stand up and look to you.
We need one because I cannot speak to my friends at college about my experiences of abuse, And I think another thing they'll be horrified, or I don't want to raise curiosity. And then if I'm in a group, a Baobab, I'll feel like what I'm telling my friends is confidential, and they'll respect my feelings. And I absolutely cannot speak in a mixed group of boys and girls. And Sheila, how do we know that these methods work?
Well, for the last 3 years, we've had a monitoring and evaluation program at Baobab. And this shows that the way we work, which is helping young people to face the difficult and destructive experiences in their lives and to build resilience slowly over time, that's shown to be effective. And this slide really shows that 100% have been helped with feelings, 96% have been helped with relationships. We've also, in our monitoring evaluation, looked at young people's views about group work, and there's a handout at the back which is a nice chart which shows you all that. Okay, in conclusion, what we'd like to say is, first of all, that we work with a group of young people who've experienced a series of child and adolescent specific human rights abuses which have profoundly affected their development and their state of being. And secondly, girls need a group where they can talk privately about gender-specific experiences and their consequences, where they can feel acknowledged and valued for who they are.
Well, these are our total costs for the group. It's going to be, we need £10,512, but we've already raised half of that. All we are asking for right now is £4,992. Thank you.
And if you'd like to give us more money,